Hello and welcome. My name, as you can see here, is Brooke, and I am so excited today to talk about Gaze TV. I'm going to help you to create your own channel, upload a video, and know how you can access your rewards and earn rewards on Gaze TV on their ecosystem. So let's get started. If you are new to Gaze TV and what it is, Gaze TV is a new ecosystem very similar to YouTube, where you are able to get rewarded for every second that you upload a film or video that you created. For every second, you get one Gaze token. And for every like, comment, share, subscribe and follow, you get 1/4 of a Gaze token, which is it adds up pretty quickly. So here is what the homepage looks like when you initially go into Gaze TV. If you've gotten to this point, you'll probably notice that you have a create account option or sign in if you've been there before. So first you want to create your account, and what that will look like is you will have some questions on here with a profile. Ask for your name. It'll ask for the name of your channel. Mine is Connect with Brooke because human connection is one of the greatest gifts that we have. And you will also be asked to add a profile picture. Maybe that's an avatar. You will be asked, just like YouTube, to have a streaming banner here for your channel. And then it'll just ask quickly, like age, if you're a male, female, where your demographic, where you live. And that will be important later. So the channel, this is what it will look like. Whenever you get to Gaze TV, your channel will have your photo, your banner, about you, and then it will also have any videos that you have created. So here I have, as one of the first Gaze TV creators, I decided to upload a video that shows my talents and my passion as a creator. So that is what you'd see whenever you first come to my channel, since that is the first video that I have uploaded. Now, because this video itself is about 4 minutes and about 4.5 minutes long, I got 272.5 Gaze tokens simply by uploading the video itself. Now, if you were coming to this video and you loved what I did, you could support me through offering Gaze. If you wanted to give me Gaze tokens, you could also like it, dislike it, hope that you want it, but you could dislike it. You can share, you can save it, and then you can also subscribe. So you can subscribe to my channel or any of the other creators that you enjoy. Over here is an important part because you can see the upload reward pool here, engagement pool, and total distributed tokens of Gaze. Right now it's at 19,142. A very interesting side to Gaze TV that I think is going to be huge for creators is the analytics tab. This is going to be important to know who is watching your creations, your films, your videos, and it will also be able to help you to track if you have content up that's for purchase through Gaze as well. So I could look and see where geographically my viewers are coming from. It would also show me likes, comments, shares, my rewards, the amount that people are watching of each film and video. That's really important. And it also will show you your exposure rate. And I think that those will be really insightful for us as creators. And it will also show you the gender. I have just created an account, so I have no subscribers at the moment, but that is going to change very quickly as people start to see the benefit of Gaze TV. It will drop for everyone to be able to access it, early users, on March 30th. So let's go to the reward center. You can see here, this is what a wallet looks like. Earnings, 273.25 Gaze as of today. This is my deposit address. You can also put in for your ETH to swap it for Gaze. Right now, 1 ETH is 18,200 and I read that right? 1 ETH is 182,481 gays. So, and down here, what I've said before, for liking, viewing, sharing, commenting, and then uploading, the amount of gays that you will get. Going back to the channel, I think it's important to be able to see exactly what you're going to do as you make your channel, and then interacting with other gays creators and being able to support the work that they're doing. So if you like someone on here, you can subscribe with them. They will also, the Gaze platform allows for you to, have recommended videos based on your watch style. And it also will let you interact. And the more you interact, the more you are rewarded. The more you upload, the more you are rewarded as well. But that is all coming up very soon on March 30th. You can create your account, you can get early access, and I hope to see you on there. Hopefully you will be subscribing to me, as I will have more content out, and I would love to answer any questions you might have, so shoot them below.